Starting with cold water. Cold, let's get cold. Well, our cold water is hot, but that's normal. We have the post-facto recirculating system, so even a cold water is warm because it's recirculating but using existing pipes, so it's weird. Plug it in. As soon as it goes in, it's on. Plug it in. The light is on. See how quick this happens. 5 Mississippi, 6 Mississippi, 7 Mississippi, 8 Mississippi, 9 Mississippi, 10 Mississippi, 11 Mississippi, 12 Mississippi. So you can see how fast it goes. Already it's nucleating bubbles. I note this is a lot. This is like 5 cups. This is like 5 of the little Arabic coffee cups. So even though this is taking a while, it's not actually taking a while. Like this is a lot for it to do. Normally it would be like half this. It would be such like a small amount. You can see I've never seen anything boil this fast. Pretty impressive. Ooh, now it's hot, 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 hot. More bubbles. Already we're getting to rolling boils. It's blindingly fast. Look at that, look at that, look at that. It's boiling already. That was like less than a minute, and this is like 5 Arabic coffee cups worth of Arab coffee, or of water.